Hey there, friends. It's Mrs. Jones, your online music teacher. This week we have so many interesting things to do. The first song that you are going to see is Mi Chakra. You're going to see it in English and in Spanish. After that, there is a slide that tells you what all the animals' names are in Spanish. Here we go for Mi Chakra in English.
I have a little farm beside a winding stream. I have a little barnyard where the grass is green. Little chickie goes like this, beep, beep. Little chickie goes like this, beep, beep. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. I have a little farm beside a winding stream. I have a little barnyard where the grass is green. Little donkey goes like this, hee-haw. Little donkey goes like this, hee-haw. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. I have a little farm beside a winding stream. I have a little barnyard where the grass is green. Little piggy goes like this, oink, oink. Little piggy goes like this, oink, oink. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. I have a little farm beside a winding stream. I have a little barnyard where the grass is green. Little doggy goes like this, woof, woof. Little doggy goes like this, woof, woof. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. I have a little farm beside a winding stream. I have a little barnyard where the grass is green. Little kitty goes like this, meow, meow. Little kitty goes like this, meow, meow. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, little one, let's go, little one, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Now, if you would like to view this song in Spanish or learn your Spanish words, click to the next slide.